What is up, guys? Today we're going to be making some arrows and some bows. Or not bows, but arrow tips. Get my white box. This way, come on. Come on. Stay. Ow! Oh god, the creek is flooding. Okay. So cold now, oh my gosh. It's so cold out, guys. It's like, I don't know, 5 degrees Celsius. Is my dead boat look okay? Yeah, it does. I figured I'm making this video today. It's cold. It's cold right now, but yeah, I figured I'm making a video. It's actually getting dark out. It's 5 o'clock. Well, past 5 o'clock actually now I'm making a video. But so now I'm cold. It's like 5:15, 5:20, 5:11ish. Something like that. We're gonna be going down to the beaver dam. Which ain't really a beaver dam, I made it. Got anything? And see, oh my god, it's so cold. It's really bad. Got these mice can on it. Oh I know. Nice and that. I'm about to dump it out soon. But we are at the dam right now. See that rocks? We'll be making some arrowheads and that's it. So this is what we're gonna do. Now stay up. Just stomp on these twigs up here. I don't know if you can see that at all, but yeah, you probably can. But this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you. Take this rock, bash on the side. So you'll break it. So that. So this says rock. Boom, bam. I'm gonna cut this, break the sides open. See that? This is that. See that? Boom. Break a couple more pieces. And there we go. Well, my hands are like Antarctica now. 6 below zero, I said below zero. Look at that, that's the arrowhead. Come over here. Just box. Put it in here for my stone tools. So let you guys have a look at what this creek looks like. When it's flooded. Oh god. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Very bad. It's like somewhere between the mid-20s and late 50s tomorrow, so might be a good day tomorrow. Yeah, that's all we wanted to show you. It's an arrowhead. There's nothing. I do have a couple remix videos coming up soon. But on the other note, yeah, so if you guys like this video, hit that like button and subscribe. Mine in it here, a couple of short tips I think I can do. I'm gonna go hiking over here, see all the cool spots I can find. Oh yes, yeah, on videos that I do have to post another one. Video on Gears 5. We called Part 3. I'm just trying to let my Xbox relax and get ready. Because there won't be a lot of posting, but look at that. Yeah. Yeah, that's my old house up there, but the update on the videos of Red Dead Redemption 2 are coming soon. Yes. I'm gonna start hiking my way up here. But Look at that, look how fast it's flown. Not fast, but you can really stand on that log, but now you can't. It's like below zero today. It's like very, very bad. And it's like a flash flood warning in East Dome. That's where I live. So yeah, but if you guys do like these videos and just daily vlogs, put it down in the comments below. And also, I can do the stuff I do behind my house, like log walk and die. Just normal activities, Might try that tomorrow's video, but put in the comments if you like the daily vlogs. If so, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for the 5 subscribers that I have. I'm doing a special giveaway. If you guys want to enter the giveaway and win $50, you can do it. But anyway, if you guys liked it, like and subscribe. If I can't get 50 right away, I'll collect some money and donate to you guys. But this daily vlogs is jumping out. Let's go check this trap. Oh yeah. I got a lot of work to do around the house, obviously. Really, I live on 145. House is like right near the highway. Last night we had a dead animal. It was a big old coyote. So, yeah, if you guys like these videos, tomorrow I'll make tomorrow I already made it, but I'll post it. My walking video. Look at how this is right now. Giveaway to 5 subscribers. Enter your favorite part of the videos, your favorite video, and yeah. So, but yeah, I like posting videos for you guys on the update of the house, an update of the stuff coming on here. It ain't the best video, but it's just daily vlog, Maybe I'll try to, I don't know, it's fun. Especially in this damn cold weather. She's coming out in Antarctica. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe. Put a comment that you will enter the giveaway. Now, peace.